Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying exactly which shortcuts you want gone: desktop icons, start menu entries, taskbar pins, or browser bookmarks. Once identified, make a quick backup or create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Also, sign out of any synced accounts and close related apps, otherwise removed shortcuts may reappear. This prepares the system and prevents accidental data loss, and sets you up to take the first actionable removal steps immediately. You now remove items methodically. For desktop shortcuts, right-click and choose Delete, then empty the recycle bin when ready. Next, unpin taskbar and start menu items by right-clicking and selecting Unpin from Taskbar or Unpin from Start. This keeps apps installed but removes shortcuts. For browsers, open the Bookmark Manager to delete or export bookmarks before removing them. Make sure to reboot or sign back into accounts after removal, so you can verify shortcuts do not reappear from sync or startup. You finish by emptying the recycle bin and rebooting, which finalizes deletions and refreshes the shell. Once done, verify other devices and account sync settings. If shortcuts return, disable sync or remove entries from the source device. If a shortcut persists, run a cleanup utility or open Task Manager and edit startup items to remove leftover links. Key troubleshooting tip: if items reappear, check Cloud Sync and scheduled scripts. Turn off sync. Remove the original shortcut on the source device, then repeat removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.